My smart husband cut down one of the leftover old windows and made this cute little grid so that I could put some stained glass panels into it. And I'm cutting my last piece. This is my quick and dirty setup. I found a piece of cardboard and I have 3 cats, so I don't want glass shards to go anywhere but on this cardboard. I lost my wonderful cutter and found these crappy cutters and cut some glass with them, most of it, before I found my good cutter from 15 years ago when I used to make stained glass windows. These are junk. It might be good to cut a few pieces of glass, but the blades get dull. This thing, I've cut more glass with it and it's still going strong. So if you're going to do anything remotely serious and you don't want aggravation, get one of these cutters. I cut little patterns for each square, but in the end I ended up just pretty much hand marking the corners where I need to draw a straight edge and cut. It's just a lot easier. These, I don't know, I never get the patterns exactly right. Yeah. So I'm going to just mark my glass. I have a permanent marker. A permanent marker comes off of glass really easily. So when you're working with cutting on glass, there is a smooth side and then there's your textured side. You always want to cut on the smoothest side. You want to get your cutter straight up and down, and you want to make sure you start as close to the edge as you can. And I'm not a professional cutter, I just do the best I can. I don't have a lot of wrist strength. These will actually apply pressure to the glass and crack the seam. Cut it for you. Here you go. To hold the panels in securely. Now my husband's going to do some glazing. This looks crazy. Ah, okay. That's how it works. Smash it in. Wow. Cat's always interested. He told her no because the glass was sharp. So here she is. She's quay quay. Good girl. Good girl. She knows. Yeah, she's a good girl. Doing a little cleanup. Ooh, it's pretty when you opened it. Ooh.